What is up? This is 5 cents. And in this video, I'm going to try to survive a full day on this 5 cents. I got inspired to do this video by the YouTuber that goes by the name of Ryan Trahan. He survived a full week on a penny. So I thought, fuck, why not? I'll try it myself. I live here in Australia. We don't have a penny, so the smallest thing I could think of was 5 cents. So before we get into it, I'm just going to lay out the ground rules. All the profits must come from the 5 cents, and everything that I buy must also come from the profits from the 5 cents, if that makes sense. All right, enjoy the video. Check out the price on these. $7.50 for 24. Trust me, this little part will make sense later. Let's go. What could you sell me for 5 cents? That is of value. A pen? You don't have a pen? What's that?
Trust me, we don't have any.
Don't have a pen?
We don't.
Alright, I'll go try somewhere else.
There you go.
See yous. I need to buy a pen for 5 cents. So.
Okay, I'll see if I have a pen in my bag. I don't.
Oh my god.
Oh
Thank
my
you.
God.
Thank you, see yous. We got a pen. The first goal of this was to get a pen, and we're going to try and sell this pen for $1 or $2, depending on how desperate people need a pen. I know that you needed a pen, so I'll sell you this one for $1.
No, we're not buying off of you.
You don't want? Boom. Thank you. $2. You're welcome. All right. See ya.
Bye.
Let's go. I don't know what to get, eh? We have the budget of $2, so we get a nice pack of lollies. Everything's like $4 and up. We don't have what we're after in this shop, so we're going to another dollar shop. Alright, so we got 2 packs of Mentos. These are $1 each, and I don't know how many's in there, but there's a lot of individually wrapped ones, so we're gonna go and try and sell them. Ladies and gentlemen, we got them. Alright, yeah, we're walking back where we came from, and right now we're gonna try to go to a restaurant and get like a takeaway container to put these in, and then I'll get a piece of paper and I'll draw a sign, candy for sale. Is there a way that I could have one of those takeaway containers? Thank you for that.
Water? No.
No, I'm all good. All right, so we got our little container, and we'll start with 1 pack. All right, so now this is the piece of paper we got from the news agency. We're gonna make a sign up asking for donations. Happy with that? How do I look?
Good, eh?
So my thought process behind donations only is that people will generally overpay. Yeah, that's it. Let's go somewhere where it's bussin'. Candy guys, you want any candy? Donations only? Candy guys? Candy guys? Rejection! Do you just want to get some candy? All good? Could I interest you ladies in some Mentos?
No, thank you.
That's okay. Candy guys? Nah, it's alright. Candy guys? Could I interest you in some candy, sir? Candy, sir?
No, I'm alright, mate.
All good, bro? Candy guys? It's okay. That chick I talked to, she goes, do you need money? So the bloke come and talked to us, and then security escorted us out for trying to sell candy. All right, so we're in a new spot right now. It's been quite a trek. So what we're gonna do now, candy, name a price. This is a pen I found, by the way, guys. Fucking calm down, eh? That's too fucking, I just fucked that. People must think I'm so weird standing here doing this, eh? Candy guys, name your price. You all good? It's okay. Candy guys, name your price. Is all good? I thought that like parents with their kids would be a good target, because the kid would be like, oh my god, I want one, and then the parent would be like, oh my god, okay. Candy guys, name your price. Are you sure? It's a hard knock life. Candies, name your price.
I don't have any money, so
That's okay. That's all right. Fuck, man, I don't even want to know how long we were standing there for. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon right about now. So we're doing the next best option, which is a couple laps. I feel like a fucking idiot walking around. Candies? Name your price. Yeah.
Like what, like $2?
Grab some and then just pay what you think it's worth.
I need the food, so.
All right, that's okay. Thanks for letting me know, by the way.
Anyway.
Thanks for that. Candy guys, name your price. That's all right. You want to buy some candy? Name your price.
No, good, thanks.
That's okay.
Name my price?
yeah.
Yeah, man.
Name your price, bro.
Man, I've only got 20 bucks.
Name your price.
Name my price. What, to give you candy or to take candy?
To take it.
All right, let me go to the car and I'll get some money.
Woohoo! And
There's $3.
put it in the bowl and take as many as you want,
I'll take
sir.
3 Mentos.
You can take more if you want.
4. Now you guys go for it. I like YouTube.
Thank you,
YouTube's
sir.
Awesome.
Legend.
You're a
mate.
legend.
Just lifted our spirits.
You're the man.
Thank
See
you.
you, bro.
Name your price, candy guys. Girls, you okay? It's all right.
A little far.
There's $1. How's that?
Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's go. We made another $1 after you, and that's about it.
Make another $1 now.
Oh my god. And you too.
Oh, he's got it.
$2.
$2. Drop it in.
Yeah, more lollies.
Excellent.
That's what we want to see.
You guys are supporting the. You're the only ones supporting the business. Thank you, sir. Are you putting a $5 in there?
Yeah, because.
Oh my god. Do you want change?
Okay, give me $2.
Here you go.
Okay. See?
Bingo.
The rest is this one and that one.
Awesome. Thank you. Those guys are so nice.
We'll do $2.
All right, now take as many as you like, sir.
Alright, cool.
Awesome. Thank you. All right, right now we're on our way to Woolworths. We just made big. We hit the jackpot. Check this shit out. Look at this, baby. 11 big ones. We're gonna go to Woolies, get the cold water we put in the fridge this morning. Hopefully a little cooler bag or something. And we're gonna go back to the Esplanade and we're gonna sell that shit like it's hotcakes. Beautiful. Whoa. So we got our waters and the cooler bag. We're just walking back to the Esplanade to go and sell these bad pops. $2 a pop. Let's go. It's getting a little bit late in the afternoon. I hope these will sell, but we're starting with the cold waters, so we're gonna make a new sign. Happy? Let's go and get this bread. Alright, so off camera, Max went and got 2 cups of ice for free from McDonald's, and that's what's keeping the water cold. Just to clarify. Oh, that's good. Excuse me, boys, you interested in some ice cold water?
Maybe. We would love all your ice cold water.
$2. I don't have any change on me either, sorry
I knew
boys.
you was going to cold water.
Do you want two bottles?
Nah, tip it all over him.
For
Two
$5.
bottles, tip
Do
it
you want me to tip it over you?
Dude, I thought you was just going to be
Here.
taking me like you
There's-
bastard, right? You've got a camera.
Cheers, buddies.
I'm going to even check you up and give you an extra $2.
Oh,
You need
fuck
to
yeah.
change that. Oh, you're going to do yourself. Here we go.
There we go.
You didn't lie about your ice cold water, brother.
Cheers, boys.
It was ice cold.
Holy fuck. Those boys were rough. Gave me $5 for a bottle. 6, 7, yeah, we got $9. From 2 bottles of water. Want any ice cold waters? Ice cold waters? Ice cold waters? Ice cold water, bro? You want ice cold water?
Very entrepreneurial of you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
I think we had a bit of a success. We successfully survived on 5 cents. We got this whole bag of water and fuck tons more. We got all those Mentoses. I got 11. We made $11 off the water in like 20 minutes. So that's actually not too bad. Unfortunately, it's actually getting pretty cold around here. So The ice cold water is not selling as I thought it would, but that's okay. We're gonna take this money and spend it as best as I know.
Maybe it's a shorter.
Hey, what can I get for $11? We got a little coffee, double cheeseburger meal. Aww. We got small fries. We got a double hamburger, and we got a coffee. Can't get much better than this, guys. I think this little challenge was a bit of a success. I think you can successfully survive on 5 cents for a day. Oh, look at that. Looks really good, doesn't it? That's actually pretty good. Not gonna lie.